Let's quickly get back to the auto space as well, because the biggest leaders of the rally are probably some of the auto names like Mahindra and Mahindra. We have Sud back with us. M&M really revved up, Sud.
So big GST reset, and the biggest one of the biggest beneficiaries, the auto sector. In the auto sector also, three segments which are the biggest beneficiaries. First, tractor segment, second, SUV, and third is EV. And that's the reason screen is telling you why M&M is top nifty gainer. Even stocks like Scott's, Kubota, Swaraj engines, which are mainly to tractor segment, are up almost in the range of 8 to 9%. Now, what did GST do? GST Council has approved reduction across the segment. So small cars, motorcycles up to 350cc, auto parts, all these segments come in the slab of 18% versus earlier tax rate of around 28% plus cess. So smaller cars beneficiaries include Maruti, Tata Motors and Hyundai. Auto parts beneficiaries include Bell Rise, Endurance Technology and these companies. Even tire also comes in the 18% slab, and that benefits companies like Apollo Tires, Seat, Balkrishna Industry and so others. Tractor has come to 5%. And that's the reason M&M is up. And also tires and the other parts which are used in tractor segment, that also will come in the 5% slab. Apart from that, EVs remain in the 5%. Then tanks and other armored vehicles. So of that, Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland and Bharat Forge are the biggest beneficiaries. Then high-end cars move into 40% slab. But it's very important. Now, even after moving into 40% slab, effective tax rate would be lower than the earlier rates, because earlier, for example, XUV700 of M&M, 28% was the tax rate plus 22% was compensation cess. So that's the reason effective tax used to be in the range of 43 to 50%, which now comes down to 40%, and that will benefit companies like M&M and also Maruti, because for Maruti also now almost 30% of total volumes come from SUV segment. Even Maruti is benefiting from small car reduction as well. Now for bikes, so up to 350cc reduction will benefit all the companies. So in this, biggest beneficiary is Eicher Motors, but there is a catch. For Eicher Motors, 11% of total volumes have the capacity of more than 350cc. Now, surprising factor has come because earlier tax rate used to be 28% plus 3% compensation set. Now that has increased to 40%. So that is minor negative for Eicher Motors. So overall, it's positive for auto with minor few negatives.
All right, super explanation and great stuff there. Thanks very much, Sud. The sector is excited, and so is Sud with what has been done. So lots of reactions. We spoke with Mahindra, more coming up through the course of the day. We'll slip into